Unlock the world of languages. How to use a language app. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very exciting topic that can transform your language learning journey. How to use a language app. In this digital age, language apps have become an indispensable tool for learners worldwide. They offer a convenient, interactive, and effective way to learn new languages or improve your language skills. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on a language you already know, stay tuned as we explore how to make the most of these amazing apps. Language apps are digital platforms designed to help you learn and practice a new language. They come packed with a variety of features such as interactive lessons, quizzes, flashcards, and even games. These apps use cutting-edge technology like speech recognition and spaced repetition systems to enhance your learning experience. The goal is to make learning a new language fun, engaging, and accessible right from your smartphone or tablet. With so many options available, finding the right app might seem daunting. However, focus on apps that cater to your learning style and goals. Consider the languages offered, the type of content, e.g., vocabulary, grammar, conversation, and the learning tools, e.g., audio lessons, pronunciation practice. It's also wise to check out reviews and ratings from other users. Remember, the best app for you is the one that keeps you motivated and matches your learning pace. Once you've chosen an app, it's time to set it up for success. Start by creating a personal profile and setting your target language. Many apps offer a placement test to gauge your current level and provide tailored lessons. Take advantage of customizable settings to adjust notifications, learning pace, and daily goals. This personalization ensures that your learning experience is both challenging and achievable. The key to progress is consistent engagement. Dedicate time every day to use the app, exploring different features like listening to audio lessons, completing exercises, or participating in interactive conversations. Don't shy away from challenging parts. Practice makes perfect. Utilize the app's feedback and correction features to improve your pronunciation and grammar. Remember, every interaction is a step closer to fluency. While language apps are powerful tools, complementing them with real-life practice can significantly boost your learning. Try to immerse yourself in the language through music, movies, podcasts, and even speaking with native speakers. Many apps offer community features where you can connect with other learners and language tutors. This holistic approach not only enhances your skills but also keeps the learning process vibrant and exciting. Congratulations on taking the first step towards unlocking a new world of languages. Using a language app is a journey of discovery, challenges, and achievements. Remember, consistency is key, and every lesson learned is an achievement. We hope this video inspires you to dive into the app of your choice and start your language learning adventure. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.